Okay, hey guys, welcome in today. I got a new video for you guys on how to do an Under Armour logo. Under Armour logo is one of my favorite logos. The design that it is a U and an A. Some people know that it's a U and an A. So I'm gonna get right started. It's actually in the middle of it. So as always, I'll start out in pencil and then I'll kind of go over it in Sharpie. With the first step, kind of doing almost like the eye shape that's kind of in the middle. It kind of has an arch line up and down in the middle, and then that kind of goes out to the side from there. So I'm going to start with that kind of arch line going up, and then another one kind of going down. And it's like I guess like a skinny version of an eye. And then from there, it really takes almost like a curve that kind of goes up towards the top from each side and then down towards the bottom. So I'm going to start lightly, and then I'll kind of show you how to fill in for the whole U and the A. So let's start with the U part of it. Kind of curves all the way up towards the sky, going this way. Kind of stretches across a little bit. And then this way, goes up this side. Okay, so you got a kind of a curve arch line going that way, and then the other curve will kind of go the opposite way. So this side going down, this side coming over and going down over here. Okay, so from that part, I'm gonna kind of do these little edges onto here. So I'm gonna kind of, and it kind of has an angle going down, so it's not straight across for the top. Kind of angles a little bit down. And it's pretty far, so it's a pretty thick letter. This one kind of goes the opposite way. So if this one goes this way, this one kind of goes the other way. And then kind of almost opposite. I guess if you want to flip over your paper, you can pretty much do the exact same thing because it is a mirror image of itself. So this one kind of goes over this way, and this one goes over this way. And I guess that's a good way to make it symmetrical and even onto both sides. So from there, then I kind of get this little triangle kind of going. So this edge kind of follows and kind of scoops down towards that middle. Kind of has that same kind of arch into the inside and then pops back out. So as long as you're kind of symmetrical in making one side go towards and then the other side, and you could do the same thing. I'm right-handed, so I like to always go my arches kind of going this way. It kind of feels weird making it go this way, so I'll kind of flip it over. Okay, so we got the outside. See, I don't even know which way is right. I'm gonna keep it this way. All right, so let's get onto the top. So kind of picture this as kind of one piece that kind of follows over to here and then kind of goes a little bit thin into the middle part of it and then gets a little bit bigger on this side, but still follows that kind of continuous arch towards there. That way, and I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Just like that, we have your basic Under Armour. So again, the reason I like this design is because it's got the U and the A, looking like an A in there, and then a U on the top. A really, really cool logo. So now I'm going to outline that quick in Sharpie. You can kind of pause the video at any time during the video to kind of stop some of that to make it easy for you guys. And I got a little trick at the end for you guys to do. So stay tuned for that. Here we go. Alright, so there it is, got my Under Armour logo, got it all outlined and cleaned up. You can see that I used my little trusty eraser and erased all my pencil lines, cleaned it up like I said. Now what I'm going to do is, since I have my scissors here, is I'm going to cut it out, and I got a little surprise for you. After I get it cut out, we'll see what is the little surprise in store for you guys. So let's go through the cutting really quick. Alright, so look at that. Got something a little different. I haven't used scissors in a while. I just realized as I was cutting that I haven't cut with scissors in a long time. So it adds my skills the more I do things that I haven't done. So that's a good tip for you also. So definitely see, if you guys have seen my latest video on art hack, you can click on my little picture down there below and then it'll take you to my latest video on there. One of my easiest and best art hacks is cutting out some of your pictures that you guys have done and just putting them onto a different colored frame. So as we finish this up, I got a little surprise for you guys. So I got 4 different colors of paper. So maybe put down below which one you would choose to put it on. So I'll kind of show you each. This will kind of be the basic black onto there. That looks pretty cool. Let's slip the green on. Ooh, that kind of brightens it up a little bit. Let me go my more girl colors onto here. Ooh, definitely gives it a different look. And I like each different look that it has onto there, that it kind of totally changes the logo in the symbol. I kind of got inspired by this from my logo design, which I'll put a link in the description below on my logo design project. A lot of the kids have been working really hard onto that project, so I thought that I would do a little logo design of one of my favorite logos, which is the Under Armour logo. And then onto the red. Ooh, let's see which one. Ooh, I kind of like that one on there too. So comment below which one would be your favorite. So there is my logo design. Thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel, and we'll talk to you guys later.